Electric lunchboxes are the perfect solution for people who want to enjoy a hot meal on the go. There are many products available to choose electric lunchboxes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best electric lunchboxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vibasso Electric Lunchbox. The Vibasso Electric Lunchbox food heater is the perfect solution for those on the go. This 2-in-1 portable heated lunchbox is designed for both car and home use, and comes with a 1.5L removable stainless steel container and a 0.45L plastic box for fruit storage. It is made of premium PP plastic and 304 stainless steel, making it safe and durable. It also features a leak-proof seal gasket for a better seal to prevent liquid food spill out during bumps. Customers have been raving about the Vibasso Electric Lunchbox food heater, noting its fast. Number 2. ADW Electric Lunchbox. Enjoy hot and healthy meals anytime, anywhere with this upgraded electric lunchbox. With its 3-in-1 design, you can use it in your home, office, car, or truck. The latest PTC thermostatic heating design heats your food faster than ever, so you can have fresh and warm home-cooked food in just 15 to 35 minutes. With a 1.8L capacity, this lunchbox is perfect for adult men or people who eat larger amounts of food. The double-layer leak-proof design ensures that you won't have any spills or leaks during transport. Plus, the box comes with an insulated carrying bag to protect it from heavy rain and dust. You can even store your spoon and fork in the small compartment on the lid, or use it as a phone stand while enjoying your meal. Number 3. Premium Plus Electric Lunchbox. The electric lunchbox is a versatile food warmer that allows you to enjoy your meals anywhere you go. Its PTC constant temperature heating technology ensures that your food maintains its original taste, giving you a delightful dining experience. With its fashionable design, featuring a white pearl base and silver handles, it also makes for a great gift option. Safety is a top priority with this lunchbox, as it is made of non-hazardous materials and equipped with double safety protection. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the removable stainless steel container. Number 4. Electric Lunchbox Food Warmer. The Lataka Electric Lunchbox is a convenient and efficient way to keep your meals warm while on the go. It features a 2-in-1 design with a removable 304 stainless steel container, 60W high power support for 12V 24V cars, trucks, and 110V for work-home use. It also has a leak-proof lid and sealing ring, as well as a waterproof plug port. The lunchbox is made of food-grade stainless steel, is high-temperature resistant, and has a 1.5L capacity. Customers have praised its fast heating, easy-to-use design, and the included utensils. Number 5. Electric Lunchbox Leak-Proof. The CJOIAW Lunchbox is a 3-in-1 electric lunchbox that can be used at home, in the car, or in a truck. With its upgraded 70W power supply, it heats up in just 25 to 35 minutes, making it quick and easy to enjoy your healthy, fresh food on the go. Made of food-grade PP plastic and 304 stainless steel, it is high-temperature resistant, non-toxic, and durable. The leak-proof sealing ring and buckles on all 4 sides ensure that there will be no more liquid leakage from the car food warmer. The 3-compartment tray is removable and easy to clean, and the lunchbox also comes with a small compartment on the lid to store spoon and fork, and can be used as a phone holder to enjoy your food while watching movies. The CJOIAW Lunchbox is a practical and beautiful gift for your lover, parents.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.